Dunfermline lies 30 minutes from the centre of Edinburgh, across the spectacular Forth Bridges. Dunfermline's royal and monastic past dominates a town whose lifeblood is history. Dunfermline Abbey is the final resting place of King Robert the Bruce and the post-Iona burial site of the kings and queens of Scotland. The tomb of King Robert the Bruce and many other royal and historical associations attracts tens of thousands of visitors each year. Each year, approximately 30,000 to 35,000 visitors make their way into the Abbey Church to visit, amongst other things, the tomb of Robert the Bruce. The abbey was founded by Queen Margaret in the 11th century. It's one of Scotland's most impressive medieval interiors and most important royal sites. Dunfermline Abbey and Palace was founded as a priory in about 1080. The Abbey complex encompasses the ruins of a palace built by King James VI in the 16th century, which became home to his queen, Anna of Denmark. After the couple's departure for London, royal interest in Dunfermline waned, but the ruins of the Abbey's neighbouring palace still make for an interesting discovery. This was the birthplace of Charles I, the last monarch born in Scotland. Dunfermline Abbey is the final resting place of 11 Scottish kings and queens. This ancient capital of Scotland, Dunfermline in West Fife, is at the heart of Scottish history. Its intriguing past, vibrant creative scene, and stunning coastlines offer you the chance to broaden your mind, immerse yourself in the unique heritage, and enjoy breathtaking scenery. Burial place of some of Scotland's greatest medieval monarchs, birthplace of one of the world's most successful entrepreneurs, home to a former linen industry of international reputation and a creative hub that has inspired many musicians, poets, and performers, Dunfermline in West Fife is full of fascinating stories waiting to be explored. Situated only a short journey from Edinburgh and as a gateway to the rest of Fife, it's the ideal location for a short break or the perfect base for a longer stay. With over 750,000 visitors each year, Pittencrieff Park, or the Glen as it is more commonly known as by local people, is one of Scotland's most important and popular urban parks. Well known for its resident peacocks, this 76-acre park is of huge historical and cultural significance to Dunfermline. The Glen Pavilion within the park is a lovely Art Deco style building that is a popular wedding venue. Pittencrieff Park plays host to many events throughout the year, from the weekly park run to the annual fireworks display.